What if I told you that if you know the 15% of grammar rule, so you can achieve 85% of your fluency? I'm not kidding. It's true. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Indu and you are watching Learn English with Indu. So today I'll help you out how you can achieve your fluency with 15% of basic grammar and you can achieve 85% of your fluency. Okay, when we talk about grammar, why grammar is important learning English? Not only English, but if we talk about any different language. Okay, so grammar is very important. The basic concept should be clear, then only you would able to structure your sentence. Okay, so what it comes in 15% of grammatical rule. The very first thing is form of verbs. Okay, what is verb? Verb means action, whatever we are doing. For example, right now I am talking to you, so I am speaking, that is action. I am chopping, that is action. I am running, that is action. Okay, so how to means there are four form of verb. Okay, V1, V2, V3, V4. But in grammar we are using only three form of verb. V1 verb की first form, second form, third form. Okay, so you should know the verb forms, like for example, go, went, gone. First form is go, second form is went, and third form is gone. Okay, and let's learn few more verbs like cut, cut, cut. All forms are same. Okay, and eat, ate, eaten. Read, read, read. Read, read, read. Okay, so you will go through, you have to learn because some of the rule you have to learn. There is no other option for that. But initially don't go into deep into that verb ki first form. Okay, try to learn one verb and try to frame sentences. Okay, and apart from this verb की form, उसके अलावा और क्या आना चाहिए? That is sentences, basic sentences. Now what is, how you can frame your basic sentences with the help of tenses. Now what is tenses? Tenses means समय. Why we have to learn tenses? Verb we have to do, verb is action and tenses is समय. जो हम वो काम कर रहे हैं वो कौन से समय पे हम कर रहे हैं. द वर्क विच वी आर डूइंग, ऑन विच टाइम और इन विच टाइम वी आर डूइंग दैट वर्क, इट डिस्क्राइब बाय द with the help of tenses. Okay, so you should know present, past, future. Present, past, future, these all are three tenses. Okay, you should know only the basic tenses. For example, when we talk about our daily habit, we always talk about with the help of present tense. Like I wake up early in the morning, I eat my food on time, I do dance, I sing song. So it is quite simple, means present tense. Okay, and when you frame your sentences with the help of present tense, past tense and future tense, you should know the basic sentence structure, that is subject, verb, object. Okay, only this is the basic sentence structure. But if you are following this rule, I am telling you, with this basic rule you can get or achieve 85% of your fluency. Yes, I am not speaking wrong. Earlier I used to get cold feet while go deep into the grammar, but nowadays I am taking one formula at once, one rule at once, and try to frame my sentences. Okay, so that I don't want to go for bookish language, subject based, because I want to be very pragmatic or practical approach for this English language especially. Okay, and this thing is helping me. Nowadays, whenever I am picking one sentence structure, so I always try to frame sentences again and again and again and again. And you can take the help of ChatGPT, you can take the help of Gemini, you can take the help of WhatsApp AI. All these apps are always there for you to serve you. Okay, if you are determined, if you are ambitious to learn this language, so don't give lame excuse of grammar that we don't know much grammar. Okay, initially we will not look for the perfection. We should be comfortable with this language. That is very important. Okay, but over the period of time you will able to figure out yourself. Okay, means इसके साथ क्या आएगा? If I am saying I am going to market, yesterday I go to market, no, yesterday I gone to market, no, with yesterday I have to use be की second form. Yesterday I went to market, yesterday I went to the market. Okay, so gradually you able to figure out yourself that you are making mistake, and it's okay, it's okay, don't worry about that. If you are making mistake, so you will say that, oh no, I'm not able to frame my single sentence. Or if you want to go for advanced sentence structure, so how you can go for the conditional sentences, basic rule, simple sentences rule. Because remember one thing, if your foundation is strong, okay, so it means you can go for and upgrade your level, but initially your foundation should be strong. And I come across many person in my 5 month of journey, people they know each and every rule of grammar, okay, and every vocabulary, but they are not able to speak, they are not able to use. Why? Because they are not speaking, because speaking will come by speaking only. You have to open your mouth for that. You have to give your training to your brain. That is very important, and it will come. I'm telling you, it will come. Initially you have to focus one goal at a one, and I'm telling you, if you will stick with your guns, if you will stick with your goals or your determination, one day you will be eloquent speaker. Right now I am learning in this process, and whatever I have learned, I just want to share with you guys that don't worry. If you are committing mistake, if you are making mistake, it's okay, don't worry, because making mistake means you are stepping one stone ahead. That is your first step to attempt that thing. Instead of sitting in a one place, if you are making mistake, it's fine na. करेंगे नहीं तो पता कैसे चलेगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न ए स्विमिंग, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न स्विमिंग, अगर स्विमिंग पूल में जाओगे नहीं तो कूदना कहाँ से आएगा? बुक्स देख के, वीडियोस देख के आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा. ओके, if you want to speak English or want to be fluent in this language and want to achieve that accuracy and fluency, then you have to do persistence, consistency, and it would create magic one day. So that's all about today's video, and let me know in the comment box if you want the basic sentences structure and rule. I'll definitely share in my upcoming videos. Bye bye everyone, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.